Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD2 trouble code P0113, also known as Intake Air Temperature Sensor Circuit High Input. First things first, let's break down what the P0113 code actually is. This code gets triggered when your car's engine control module, the ECU, detects a problem with the intake air temperature sensor signal. If that IAT signal rises too high, the ECU can no longer accurately determine the air temperature. Since air temperature plays a big role in fuel delivery and ignition timing, the engine may not run as efficiently as it should. When the ECU detects this abnormal IAT signal, it stores the P0113 trouble code and turns on the check engine light to alert you that there's a problem in the IAT sensor circuit. Now let's talk about what the IAT sensor actually does. The intake air temperature, or IAT sensor, measures the temperature of the air entering the engine and sends that information to the engine control unit, or ECU. The ECU uses this data to fine-tune several critical engine functions, including fuel delivery, ignition timing, and the air-fuel ratio. In simple terms, the IAT sensor tells the engine how much fuel to inject based on the temperature of the air entering the engine. If that temperature reading is incorrect, the ECU ends up making the wrong fuel calculations. This throws off the air-fuel mixture, which can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. Over time, the ECU recognizes that something isn't right and stores a trouble code like P0113 to alert you that there's a problem with the IAT sensor circuit. Now let's understand why the P0113 code gets triggered. For the fuel injection system to work properly, the engine control module, or powertrain control module, needs to know how dense the air entering the engine is. Air density directly affects how much fuel the engine needs for efficient combustion, and air density is closely tied to air temperature. That's why accurate intake air temperature data is so important for smooth engine operation. The intake air temperature sensor works as a thermistor, which means its electrical resistance changes as the temperature of the incoming air changes. When the air is cold, the sensor's resistance is higher, and it sends a higher voltage signal to the ECU. As the air warms up, the resistance drops and the voltage signal becomes lower. The ECU constantly monitors this changing signal and uses it to fine-tune fuel delivery, ignition timing, and the air-fuel mixture. Since colder, denser air contains more oxygen, the ECU adds more fuel. Warmer, less dense air needs less fuel. These continuous adjustments allow the engine to run efficiently in cold weather, hot weather, and everything in between. The P0113 trouble code is triggered when the ECU detects that the IAT sensor signal has rises too high. If you want to read more about any other OBD2 codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Now that we understand what P0113 means and how it gets triggered, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0113 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD2 reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description for the best scanners out there. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0113 code reappears. If the P0113 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0113. Now let's go over some of the most common root causes behind the P0113 error code. One of the biggest and honestly one of the most overlooked causes of P0113 is a dirty intake air temperature sensor. This is especially common on vehicles where the IAT sensor is built into the mass airflow sensor. Over time, dust, oil vapors, and debris from the intake air can coat the IAT sensor's sensing element. When that buildup occurs, the sensor can no longer accurately read the temperature of the air entering the engine, which leads to incorrect data being sent to the ECU and triggers the P0113 code. In many cases, simply cleaning the IAT sensor is enough to fix the problem. That said, it's very important to clean it the right way. Only a dedicated IAT or MAF sensor cleaner should be used, since these cleaners are designed to evaporate quickly and leave no residue behind. Using brake cleaner, carburetor cleaner, or compressed air can permanently damage the delicate sensing element. The sensor should also never be touched with fingers, tools, or cloths, because even light contact can affect its calibration and cause inaccurate readings. Next, another very common cause of the P0113 code is open or shorted wiring in the IAT sensor circuit. The intake air temperature sensor depends on a stable reference voltage and a clean ground to send accurate temperature information to the ECM. If the signal wire or the ground wire becomes damaged, the voltage coming from the sensor can fall outside the range the ECM expects to see. Wiring problems usually develop over time due to heat exposure in the engine bay, constant vibration, or physical stress along the intake system. Insulation can become brittle and crack, wires can break internally, and connectors can corrode or loosen. In some cases, the signal wire may short to ground or even short to battery voltage, which causes the ECM to see a reading that makes no sense or no signal at all. When the ECM detects a voltage that stays constantly high or constantly low and doesn't change as intake air temperature changes, it recognizes this as a circuit problem rather than a normal sensor issue. That's when it stores the P0113 trouble code. To fix wiring-related IAT circuit issues, start with a careful visual inspection of the wiring harness and connectors. Look for signs of fraying, melted insulation, corrosion, or loose terminals, especially near the intake tract and hot engine components. Using a digital multimeter, you can then check for proper reference voltage, verify continuity in the signal wire, and confirm that the ground circuit is solid. Once any damaged wires, loose pins, or corroded connectors are repaired or replaced, proper signal flow is restored, and the P0113 code should clear. Next, another possible cause of the P0113 code is a faulty IAT sensor itself. Over time, the IAT sensor can simply wear out. The internal thermistor may degrade, crack, or lose its ability to change resistance accurately as temperatures change. When that happens, the sensor may get stuck at a fixed value or send an erratic voltage signal that no longer represents the actual intake air temperature. In many cases, a failing IAT sensor will report temperature readings that just don't make sense, such as extremely cold or extremely hot values that don't match the outside temperature or the engine's operating condition. If the ECM sees that the IAT signal is outside its expected electrical range, doesn't respond to temperature changes, or conflicts with data from related sensors like the engine coolant temperature sensor, it recognizes this as a circuit problem and triggers the P0113 code. If cleaning the IAT sensor doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to test the sensor itself. This can be done using a digital multimeter or by viewing live intake air temperature data with an OBD2 scan tool. The sensor reading should be compared to the manufacturer's specifications. If the values are incorrect, unstable, or completely out of range, the sensor has failed and needs to be replaced. When replacement is necessary, it's best to use a high-quality OEM or OEM equivalent IAT sensor.